So I'll ask you the question first. So tell me about your research.
I'm looking at the image and determining where the picture was taken to help law enforcement narrow down the search space. So basically, a lot of time what happens is that the traffickers post the images for online advertisement of victims. So if you could identify where the picture was taken, you can help trace the victim, or you can identify the hotspot that can be used for trafficking in the future.
Why are you doing a PhD?
I was working in industry for 4 years before coming here, and I kind of spent a lot of time thinking whether PhD is suitable for me or not. I think I really liked working as a computer vision engineer in the industry who used to make R&D and convert them into software. It was really interesting. The only problem that I had with the industry was we were not supposed to tell the secrets to our competitors, and we were not supposed to share the data or talk about our research. So I felt like I was in a very closed bubble. So I wanted to do a PhD so I can talk openly about my research.
What keeps you motivated during your studies?
I am really passionate about computer vision and the fact that I'm doing something that can be applied in a real world is something that keeps me motivated, especially when I talk to, I'm a pure AI person. I have done bachelor's in computer science, I've done master's in data science, but when you apply those algorithms in a real world scenario, and when I talk to digital forensics people and they tell me the feedback that it is something that can be used in real world, is something that motivates me.
What's it like to live in Ireland?
I think it was the scariest flight that I took when I was coming to Ireland because I've never lived abroad. It was my first time, and it was scary to leave the people that you call home. But I think if you have got a nice supervisor, if you have got a community of friends who are going through the same kind of situation and attending events like these where you network with people, talk about your research, talk about how is it difficult coming from a very different kind of culture to here. I think that does help a lot.